Hello everyone. On Mission Beauty Sundari Honaras. I'm Dr. Smita Sakode, your own consultant cosmetic dermatologist. And in next 3 years, I would like to make 1 lakh mid-age women beautiful. So among the series of interviews, we have come up with a wonderful molecule. Would you like to know? Yes, definitely. This is a molecule where you can just erase away all your wrinkles and make your skin look more clearer, more glowing, and more shining. So, do you want to know what is the molecule? The molecule is vitamin C. And we have come up with the interview with Dr. Aishwarya, who is coming from Kolhapur and who has done her undergraduation in BJ Medical College, Pune. And now she is a final year resident in MIMSR Latur. Sorry, she's the first year resident of MIMSR Latur doing her MD dermatology. So she is going to tell us all the secrets of vitamin C so that we can look fabulous and beautiful. She has done her schooling in Kolhapur and she basically belongs to Kolhapur, the city of misal and the mirchis. So welcome Dr. Aishwarya on this panel of Mission Beauty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Dr. Aishwarya, can you tell us basically what is vitamin C?
Okay, so basically, vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin which is required for normal collagen synthesis for our body, and which is an antioxidant and which can be used in normal life for dark circles and wrinkling and tightness of skin.
Yes.
So yeah.
This vitamin C history is very old. Those days, the sailors used to go for sailing for a long time, for years together, they used to go sailing and they used to have bleeding from the gums, from the oral cavity. That's how they used to carry lemons on the sailing boat to prevent this particular vitamin C deficiency, also called as scurvy. And it was Saint Bozairin who received a Nobel Prize just for this discovery of vitamin C. So nowadays we have been hearing so much about of vitamin C. Eat vitamin C, drink vitamin C, apply vitamin C. So I would like to know from Dr. Aishwarya, what exactly is the role of this vitamin C if we either take it orally or apply? Actually, what is the action of this vitamin C, Dr. Aishwarya?
Okay, so basically vitamin C is a cofactor for enzymes propyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, which is essential for synthesis of collagen, and collagen is necessary for normal tightening of the skin, wrinkling to prevent wrinkling of the skin. So basically the mechanism is it is a cofactor which requires in the synthesis of the normal collagen. Yes.
See, collagen is nothing but fibers. When you pull your cheeks or you have elastic and collagen. So these are some building fibers in our skin. And if the building fiber is strong, obviously if your bricks are strong, your whole wall or the skin looks fabulous. So if this collagen is broken, it is as good as a broken wall. And if you have a broken wall, the skin is not going to look, it's going to look uneven. It is going to show the wrinklings. It's going to show the aging factor. Dr. Aishwarya, what exactly do you understand by the word antioxidant and role of vitamin C as antioxidant?
Okay, so vitamin C is, as we call it as antioxidant, as it scavenges the free radicals formed in the oxidative states, like the disease states like diabetes, smoking, and myocardial infarction. These are the oxidative states. So these are the disease states. So in normal day-to-day life, when we get free radicals, our skin gets damaged, and we have to scavenge all the free radicals from our skin to avoid these side effects. So basically, vitamin C acts as antioxidant and scavenges all the free radicals from our body, and it prevents that wrinkling, and it enhances the normal collagen synthesis.
Wonderful. So basically, we stay in India where sunlight is so much abundance. Can you highlight little bit on the ultraviolet rays and the effect of aging, Dr. Aishwarya?
Okay, so basically ultraviolet rays like UVA and UVB are they damage our skins, and basically vitamin C prevent ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B radiation damage. So vitamin C protects from UVA and UVB radiations. So yes, prevents
Basically,
damage to the skin.
ultraviolet A will enter the dermis, and once the ultraviolet enters the dermis, it breaks the collagen. So, if there is extra breakage of the collagen, no wonder if you see farmers, people who are outdoor workers, their aging is much faster. But relatively, people who are indoors, are working inside the offices, they don't have much of aging. So, this is the ultraviolet A effect. And ultraviolet B primarily burns our skin. So whenever our skin burns, we release inflammatory mediators, isn't it? We release interleukins, we release cytokines. So all these are toxins. If you go into simple words for a general person, these are all toxins which are released. So what this vitamin C does, it gives a free radical and it just blocks whatever inflammation, or in simple words, if you have to say, it will just close all the toxins, or it neutralizes all the toxins which is released due to the sunlight. So obviously, then the aging which is happening because of the sunlight, because of the ultraviolet rays, is going to slow down. So this is how vitamin C really works. That was wonderful. They say that vitamin C is in two forms. One is L-ascorbic and other is the D-ascorbic.
Yes.
Now, why do we need to really take vitamin C orally, and how much really does it help?
If we take oral vitamin C, it will enhances, as I said, collagen synthesis. So basically, it prevents fine wrinkling, tactile roughness, coarse rhytids, and skin laxity and yellowing of the skin. And it basically works by enhancing the collagen synthesis by but the oral intake is as the vitamin C is water soluble, we have to take more and daily dose of vitamin C. So yes.
Can you tell us, Dr. Aishwarya, what are the food things that our women should eat, so that they get optimum amount of vitamin C daily?
Okay, so vitamin C is available in our citrus fruits like oranges, lemon, then avla. Other than citrus fruits, we can take strawberries, black currants, then potatoes, and broccolis, pineapple. So these substances contain vitamin C. So in day-to-day life, we can easily have these fruits and all this.
I think so, Dr. Aishwarya, she is in the hostel and definitely she must be having lemon juice every second day. Yes, Dr. Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because that is the cheapest and the best way. I mean, even
Yes.
if you are staying away in the hostel or you're a working woman where it becomes very difficult to, have certain things or fruits. Lemon juice is one thing. I think so every woman should carry one bottle of lemon juice, and it acts as a wonder if you take early in the morning, empty stomach. Many a times we can take a bit of honey and lemon juice. That works really wonders because absorption of vitamin C happens empty stomach much better. And not only that, it also helps in absorption of various other nutritional elements as well. And most simple tip, again, I tell many working women, see, when you are in your purse, you can keep a plastic box where you can keep the amla candy. or this is how you can again replenish your vitamin C. Rather than having a cup of tea, if you could just have few almonds and few cashew nuts and few almonds and this which is this avla candy along with khajur, these things definitely give you good amount of nutrition, protein, vitamin C. So it's really wonderful for the working woman tip. You can just keep all this in the box. My next question to you, Dr. Aishwarya, in what form is this vitamin C available to apply on the skin?
In lotions, in serum form, basically vitamin C available in topically in serum form. The various companies nowadays develop various serums, vitamin C serums. So we can have that serum to apply on, topically we can apply that on skin.
There was a wonderful study I read on Indian Journal Online from Pumori Saukar from Pune. And she says sunscreen protects to only in a particular extent, 55%. But if you can add on vitamin C serum, the advantage of the collagen breakup and the elastic breakup and the photo aging reduces 50%. So, a combination of sunscreen in the morning, 9-12-3, and in the night, a good vitamin C serum on the wet skin definitely works miracles. It is available in the form of 10% or 15% vitamin C serum. Now, there are various combinations available in the market. One is pure vitamin C, but since vitamin C is unstable, many a times they mix it with soya licorice is one, or they mix it with ferulic acid and vitamin E. So such combination vitamin C serum also work real wonders. And let me tell you, night, just before going to sleep, if you can wash your face and apply this serum, take my words, in next 6 months, you will slowly see your crow's feet, that is the wrinkles around your eyes vanishing, the lines on your forehead start vanishing, and the skin looks much supple because you may have fine lines coming up. So all these things could be prevented. So if you are really conscious that you don't want to age fast, then keep using vitamin C lotion for the best possible results. Yes, Dr. Aishwarya, I want to know, is there something you would like to still add on this particular topic?
Yes, ma'am. So, as we have now talked about the vitamin C serum, so now the companies have newly created one vitamin C plus vitamin E plus ferulic acid combination that works very good, and it will improve chemical stability, double photo protective ability. So it helps that this is new combination which works very well nowadays. So we can
They say
have
8-fold more efficient. This particular triple combination is 8-fold more efficient. That's what they say. Yes, Dr. Aishwarya, I would like to know, is there anything you would like to add on this particular vitamin C as yet more?
okay. Sometimes a patient gets sensitive to the vitamin C serum, so it may cause stinging sensations, erythema, dryness to the skin. But the side effects are very rare, so we can use the vitamin C serum very safely. So it is a very good vitamin C use is very good to our skin.
Yes. So the take home back message to the women out there who are above 30, let me tell you, compulsorily use a sunscreen with SPF 30 and above and PFA 3-star, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's how you have to use a sunscreen. And the second is use a vitamin C lotion which has got a combination of vitamin C, ferulic acid and vitamin E. So take few drops of this lotion and apply all through your face. Rightly begin from your eye area, your cheek area, and just apply this lotion from down to up and then this way. So you have to apply this lotion on the wet skin. So just have a little bit of water splash, and over this you apply this vitamin C serum. And definitely, if you have some doubts about which vitamin C serum to be used, should I buy or the over-the-counter product, best way is consult any cosmetic dermatologist, or you could approach us on our YouTube or Facebook, and we will definitely suggest you which is the best vitamin C for your anti-aging. So if you want to slow down your aging and if you want to have the glowing skin, don't forget to use vitamin C. The actions are, it reduces the pigment, it improves your color. Second, it will stop the breakdown of collagen and elastic fiber. Third is whatever redness which is induced due to sunlight, that is inflammation. So all the redness, the burning, the stinging, all this redness also can reduce. And not only that, it will erase your wrinkles. So stay tuned to our YouTube and Facebook, Mission Beauty Sundarmi Khonarats. And that's how we will come up with the greatest tips for you so that you can have a fabulous, flawless, lovely skin. And if you still want to know more, to learn more, definitely join our online class, that is Ageless Beauty. We have all the links below. Apart from that, we are also sharing Dr. Aishwarya's contact number. So you can always call her and ask her any doubts in regards to your beautiful skin. So thank you, Aishwarya, for giving me this wonderful insight, and all the women out there gave you the knowledge, and so nice of you and so kind of you. So it is a wonderful discussion and interview with you, Dr. Aishwarya. My
Thank you
last
so
pass
much, ma'am.
is, what do you think about Mission Beauty or Dr. Smita Sakote? Would you like to give a passing remark before we end this interview?
Okay, so you have started a very wonderful mission which helps to improve the quality of skin in day-to-day life to the working woman and all the housewives. So it helps them to uh, improve the quality of the skin.
That was nice. So Mission Beauty Sundarvi Honarats. In next 3 years, I would like to make 1 lakh mid-age women beautiful. And that is the greatest purpose of my life. So thank you so much. We shall sign off in this interview. And thank you, Dr. Aishwarya, for this wonderful insights. And we will stay tuned, and we will also come Facebook and YouTube live, so you could ask many more questions to Dr. Aishwarya Gaikwad. Thank you so much, Aishwarya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.